Hello and welcome to iTimePlus. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use our free timesheet. Let's get started. First, go to orpex.com and log into your account. You can use your email address or Google account if you prefer. Click on Timesheet on the toolbar to view your timesheet. You will need to set this up before you get started. Go to Projects. Here you can view all the projects in your business and whether they are enabled or not. You can also create a project. Projects should be created first based on your business needs. You can track hours and run reports based on a particular project or team. Make sure your project is enabled by choosing Yes from the drop-down menu. Now, head over to Tasks. Here you can keep track of more detailed information about your projects. You can also create a new task by entering the name and description in the boxes provided. Next, click on Assign Tasks to Project. Select a project from the drop-down menu and assign tasks to that project by clicking on the checkbox next to each task. You can link the same task to many different projects. Finally, go to Assign Users to Projects. Select a project from the drop-down menu and assign users to that project by clicking on the checkbox next to each user's name. Users can only enter time for projects they have been assigned to. If you have any further questions, feel free to check out our other videos or email us at support@orpex.com.